Hello Boomer Nation. Today we will be showing you how to make green apple, kiwi, ginger green juice with Boomer Products Boomer Boost and sprouted barley. Using kiwi, green apple, ginger, and kale for this juice provides a tasty and nutrient-rich green juice blend to start your morning out with. Check out this video for what you will need and how to make this energy-boosting green juice. Start by combining these ingredients in a blender jar. 1 cup of water, 1 scoop of Boomer Boost from Boomer Products, 1 scoop of Heirloom or Gladiator Barley from Boomer Products, 1 small chunk of ginger, 3 sprigs of fresh mint, 1 green apple cut into pieces, 1 kiwi cut into pieces, 1 small lemon peeled, 3 large kale leaves destemmed, 3 stalks of celery. Mix until all the ingredients are well blended. Now if you're using a blender like us and not a juicer, you'll want to strain your kiwi, green apple, ginger green juice 1 to 2 times to remove as much fiber and pulp as you prefer. Now once you've strained out the fiber and pulp, grab a glass full of ice, pour, and enjoy. Now if you like this recipe and video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and definitely leave a comment to let us know what you think. Keep your eye out for more recipes from Boomer Products, and we'll see you next time.